BFRG stock analysis. This is for next week and onward. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. Be looking at BullFrog AI Holdings. Such a crazy name. But yeah, 50% up is great performance Friday. If I zoom out, that's what I like to see, like the bigger picture. I've made more than almost 40,000 videos over the last 5 years and spent 5 figures on courses and mentors. So I've seen what's making me money. And by the way, I have proof of all that documented. So generally speaking, BFRG doesn't necessarily mean that I'm going to be randomly buying, right? But it does mean that because we're in this beautiful bullish trend, I'm not closing myself off this buying opportunity, right? Meaning that only if I see a little correction in a double break, then you bet I'm going to look to take it out. But other than that, random buys are just never going to be part of the equation. So I will continue to keep you updated. So let me know what is your opinion on BFRG. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple, lean way, just click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter. Goodbye.